Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to where. So before boarding the flight, let's have quick brunch here. And after having some quick coffee before the flight, started the boarding. So I'm gonna board the aircraft. So boarding now. Let's go with me. Next stop, Paradise. Yeah, absolutely. So here we are going. Look at me, how excited I'm looking, Hannah. हमें हमारा आउटफिट चेक करने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला, तो मैं से लिफ्ट में कर रही हूँ आउटफिट ऑफ द डे टुडे। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking you along with me to one of the Thailand most famous destination, Phuket. From stunning beaches to delicious food and vibrant nightlife, this island really has it all. So let's get started with me. So yeah, I will be doing snorkeling, swimming and lot of things. So let's So, guys, that was the recap. So, today we will be exploring a lot like Fifi Island. First of all, we'll go. Then Fifi Lay, Maya Bay, Pile Lagoon, Viking Cave. Then we will have some lunch, Fifi Dawn, Monkey Beach, and Khai Island. We'll explore a lot today. हमारा पिकअप टाइम था टुडे 8:30 then we came here. So yes, we were advised to bring swimming suits, sunglasses, sun hand, some cash and sleeper, camera, sunscreen. So I brought this swimming suit which is my favorite, and I love this swimming suit, so I brought this. And yes, I changed in the boat because there was a small washroom in boat also, so I changed my clothes over there to, and then I was enjoying in the water. As you can see, the water, it's looking so good. I mean, very crystal clear water, soft sand, and just perfect for the swimming. This is paradise, y'all. Talking about the water here is unreal. It feels like stepping straight into the postcard. It means whatever picture you will take here, it's gonna be like wow. So here I am trying to do I'm trying to do the paddle board. So just people are there just to help me, but still मैंने manage किया. Snorkeling I did, and yeah, I was feeling so blessed to come here, yaar. You know what, life is very short, yeah. You must enjoy everything in this life. So travel, take pictures, and make memories that last forever, you know. We don't remember days, we remember moments. So go out there, click those pics, and leave the memories. You never know what can happen next moment. Life is so unpredictable, guys. So you must go and do adventure. Whatever you feel like, you must do it. And yeah, लास्ट में क्या बोलूँ, लाइफ इज़ स्मॉल बट ब्यूटीफुल. सो कैप्चर इट, ट्रेजर इट, एंड टर्न्स मोमेंट्स इनटू मेमोरीज, यू नो. लाइक किसी के बोलने पे मत जाना. जो करना है आपको करो खुद ही, यार. वाई टू थिंक अबाउट अदर्स. एवरी ट्रिप इज़ अ स्टोरी, एंड फीफी इज़ वन ऑफ माई, it's gonna be one of my favorite, and I want to remember this forever. I will remember this forever for sure. And you know, if you're guys watching this video now, definitely I will watch it again and again, and I will remember myself ki, okay yaar, I went on this trip and I was so happy that time, you know. And that time also I will laugh on myself. देखो मैं गिर जाऊंगी यहाँ पे. I'm here. Hello guys, I'm about to try stand-up paddle boarding for the very first time. Let's see. I don't think. All right. I think I'm actually getting. It's little difficult. Splash. Alright guys, it's lunchtime here in Phuket, and honestly eating by the beach hits different. So here what I got is, I'll show you here. Like there was many things. I got watermelon, fruits, some chicken, a lot of things. Seafoods are there. Look at that soft sand, gentle waves, and that salty breeze. Nothing beats the feeling of walking barefoot on the beach. Phuket beaches have this special vibe. Some people out there here paddle boarding, some just chilling with coconuts, and me just enjoying the moment with myself only. I feel like this is the best time. The best part of travel is not rushing around to see everything. It's just slowing down, walking by the water and soaking it all in. This is the kind of peace I wish I could bottle up and take home. If you ever come to Phuket. Hello guys, so this is Monkey Beach, Monkey Way also we call it. So as you can see, the crowd on the beach part is also there. This is the monkey beach, and monkey are extremely social animals. Look at that little guy there. He's so agile. Just look at those eyes, so expressive, and those little hands, perfect for grabbing, climbing, and peeling fruits. Hey everyone, welcome back to this monkey beach. Look at the scene, everyone out here by the water enjoying the sunshine and the breeze, and even the company of monkeys. It's such a lively atmosphere. Families are relaxing, kids are playing, and the monkeys as well. So they are having their own little party in the trees. This spot is honestly perfect. The calm water, the sound of nature, and so much energy around. You can just feel the happiness. But now, time to go back to the boat. Yes, such a great vibe today. People, nature, and the water. Looking at the water, I became so thirsty. So I ordered one of the cocktail which is very famous over here, which you saw the name. It's popular fruity mixed drink made with vodka, peach snap, orange juice and cranberry juice. It's usually served in a tall glass with the ice and sometimes garnished with an orange slice and cherry. So it was perfect for the beach side. So after having that, I became pretty cool. So yeah. So I think this is the beach where the most famous movie, which is the name is The Beach, movie was filmed. The shooting हुई थी यहीं पे उस movie की. Then we are going to Pile Lagoon. And yes, I was again little thirsty as dehydration हो रहा था. So I got this coconut water for myself after refreshing. Again, just walking at the beach side, and I'll show you the cave also, Viking cave. It was there. The tour people they showed me, but so I came to Kai Island, and yeah, it was pretty crowded, but still it was refreshing for me as I already had coconut water. So the day has come to the end. So कराबी से तो हम आ गए. अभी कराबी से we are going back to our hotel, and after reaching my hotel I have to get ready again because I have already planned for the night, like we are going to Carnival Magic. So let's get ready with me and let's go to enjoy. अभी हम कराबी से आने के बाद अभी हम जा रहे हैं डिज्नीलैंड, नॉट मेन वाला बिकॉज वो तो हांगकांग में है. ये कार्निवल मैजिक है जो कि डिज्नीलैंड के जैसा ही होता है. सो लेट्स गो. So happy and excited. So finally guys, we reached here and it took us almost 1 hour to reach here. And yes, today I'm taking you on magical journey to Carnival Magic in Phuket. So we booked the ticket online. One of the most vibrant nighttime theme parks in Thailand. So this is security check. After security check you have ticket, then they will welcome you to enter. You're welcome. For dazzling parades to mouth watering food, anything you can buy here also. This place is truly a feast for the senses. Let's check it out. Yeah, let's go. Look at the view. As soon as you walk in, you are greeted by the colorful lights and electrifying atmosphere. You see the view, you know. The park is located near the Kamla beach and it's open in the evening, making it perfect spot for a night adventure. You can feel the excitement in the air. So this guy, there is inside guy, he is wishing us like a elephant. And look at the vibe, yeah, it's so awesome. As soon as I entered, I learned a lot of things. No matter how much they are tired or they are, but they still smile at you. They will make you laugh. And yes, you must carry a good, camera with you because this is awesome place. You can take a lot of picture, lot of videos. And yes, if you're hungry, then don't miss the bird of paradise. I'll show you the buffet also. It was so nice, and a lot of things were there to explore, like Lights of Kingdom and many more. The main parade show start at 8:30 p.m. but I will suggest you to go earliest at 2 hours एटलीस्ट, या तो 1 घंटे पहले ही चले जाओगे ना तो यू कैन नॉट मिस दीज एक्सप्लोरिंग थिंग्स एंड लाइट्स. This was so amazing. I really loved it, you know. There is also river carnival parade where you can find a lot of lights with the palace. So I really loved that palace. I wanted to go inside and take pictures. So afterwards we came to River Palace and then Kingdom of Lights. This is the Kingdom of Lights. And oh my god, a grand dining experience offering a fusion of international cuisines. This is word of paradise. If you're hungry, then this buffet is for you. You can come and enjoy any food. And again, we came to this palace because I was liking it a lot, and a lot, you know. So, see the vibes. सो वॉशरूम कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा था इनका. वाओ यार, वॉशरूम भी बहुत प्यारा. So these rides were chargeable and also these were for children or for their mamas. So I didn't go for it. To be honest, it feels like stepping into a fairy tale, you know. If you are visiting Phuket, Carnival Magic is a must see. You must go and you must buy the ticket. The staff are very friendly. They will definitely assist you. They were smiling at me, so we took pictures together. I was so happy for that. This place is so mesmerizing. It's like dreamland. I came to dreamland. I'm just enjoying my life. It's heaven, yaar. A bird of paradise. I came here 3 times. Can you see this tiger? This is gold plated and बहुत sparkling कर रहा था वो. So I took pic. इतना मैंने चला फिर भी अभी टायर्डनेस का टी नहीं है मेरे चेहरे पे. I came to again River Palace. फिर वहीं से हम फिर से देखते हुए फिर से निकल गए लाइट्स ऑफ किंगडम ऑफ लाइट्स में कार्निवल मैजिक. फिर यहाँ से बस यही देख के अब हमारी डे ख़त्म होती है बिकॉज़ like I'm so tired. Yeah, I know this place is so nice, but still यार कितना ही आप करोगे, but फिर भी वही है ना.
ऐसे हो रहे हैं सिंगल गाना.
Wow, what an incredible night at Carnival Magic Phuket. The River Palace Parade lights and foods were absolutely amazing. Now it's time to head back to the hotel and unwind. That's it for today adventure. If you enjoyed exploring Carnival Magic with me, do like, comment and subscribe for more travel blogs, sweet dreams from Phuket, and see you in the next blog. I'm in third day off in Phuket.
Bye. Good night. You guys are so cute. Bye. Good night. Bye.
टुक टुक यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है, तो वी टुक 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 एंड वी आर बैक टू होटल.